Students, we have done the question number 1 and now we are moving towards our second exercise question, and that question is, what are the two major means of communication? Students, writer is asking about the two major types of communication, or two major types of media, or two major means of media here, and we are told by the writer in the text of this chapter that we can divide media into two types, and that is electronic media and print media. Definitely these two are the means of communication as well, and electronic media includes all the things we can say like television, internet, social media apps, and all the gadgets we are already known. And the print media includes books, your magazine, your any other printing material which is available in the market and which is full of information as well. So basically students, आपसे सिर्फ इतना पूछा गया है कि what are the two major means of communication, तो आप सिर्फ उनको नेम करेंगे कि कौन कौन से मेजर मीन्स कम्युनिकेशन के हैं। तो वो मीडिया के दो मीन्स हैं, वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया है और प्रिंट मीडिया है। तो ये दो मेजर मीन्स हैं, सिर्फ आपने इन दोनों का नाम लिखना है, आपका आंसर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा।